Welcome to Matematika. Today we're going to do linear functions, that is solving inequalities. Take note, to make the statement true, when you multiply or divide both sides of the inequality by a negative number, you must change the sign. Like this. You have a negative 2 less than 6. This is a true statement. Alright? A negative 2 is less than 6. How about a negative 8 less than 8? I subtract negative 3 on both sides. What is going to happen? We have a negative 11 less than 5. Still, we have a true statement. Right? That's true. Another one, we have a negative 7 less than 1. How about if we add 2 on both sides? Let's check. We are checking by adding a negative and a positive. Let's see what will happen. This will be a negative 5 less than 3, which is true. Alright. We have a negative 15 less than negative 5. How about if I multiply 2 on both sides? We have a negative 30 less than negative 10. Right? And this is true. Okay? When we multiply a positive, when we add or subtract a negative and a positive, we come up with a true statement. 8 greater than a negative 8. How about if I divide it with a negative 2? Let's try checking when we divide a negative number. What's going to happen? We have a negative 4 greater than 4. Is this a true statement? No, it's not. So what we're going to do, it says you must change the sign. That means we flip the sign to make it true. So in other words, negative 4, the sign is greater, we flip that by less than. So it's negative 4 less than 4, and this is now true. Okay? Let's check when we multiply. Let's say I multiply a negative 1/2 to 8, and negative 8, I multiply a negative 1/2. So what happened? We have a negative 8 over 2 greater than 8 over 2. Let's find out. So it will be negative 4 greater than 4? No, it's not. Well, what are we going to do? We flip the sign, right? By making the greater into less than to make the statement true. Okay, this is what we mean by, changing the sign or flip the sign when you multiply or divide the inequality by a negative number, dividing the both sides. All right, let's see and check and apply the rules in solving inequalities. I prepare 4 questions here. So let's simplify. We have x minus 15 greater than negative, that's positive 24. Negative 4 times 3x, that's negative 12x. You add 12x on both sides. So we have 13x minus 15 greater than 24. Then add 15 on both sides. We have 3x, 13x greater than 39. So divided by 13, x would become greater than 3. Right? Now, are we going to flip the sign? No, because we divide it with a positive number. So this will be as it is, x greater than 3. Let's do the second one. 5x greater than 8x plus 27. So let's move the 8x to the left by subtracting 8x. This will be negative 3x greater than 27. Then we divide by 3. So x is greater than negative 9. Is this true? No, because we divide it with a negative number. So we're going to flip the sign. Okay? Flip the sign. This will be from greater becomes less than negative 9. This is the answer. Let's do another number. We have 4x plus 3 less than 1. So let's subtract 3 on both sides. We have 4x less than negative 4. Then we divide by 4. X is less than negative 1. Is this our final answer? Yes, because we divide it with the positive, so we're not flipping any sign here. So this will be x less than negative 1. Let's do this. 6 minus 5x less than negative 2x minus 15. So we'll just take out the parentheses there. And then we move the variables to the left by adding 2x. So this will become 6 minus 3x less than negative 15. I'm just showing you the step-by-step here. So I will subtract 6 on both sides. This will be negative 3x less than negative 21. So we divide by 3, negative 3. X would be less than 7. Is this the final answer? No, because there is we divide it with a negative denominator. So that means we have to flip the sign. So the x would become x greater than 7. And this is the final answer. So this is it. I hope you were able to recall or review what you have learned in Algebra 1, which is useful for taking AP Pre-Calculus. Alright, see you on my next video.